Well, I'm still packing or unpacking. So today what I'm doing is I'm trying out a new product called Wylwood Field Peas and Snaps. Looks to me like black-eyed peas and snaps, and they're calling snaps green beans. So I'm gonna try this thing out. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! It has no fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol. It has 240 milligrams of salt. It has 18 grams carbohydrates, 6 grams of protein. Now, it's important to know that this little can, which is 15.5 ounces, has 3 servings. So everything I said has to be multiplied by 3. Okay. Did I tell you how much calories it is? It's 100 calories, so it'd be 350 calories for the entire can. My stepfather, his name was Marshall, he introduced me to black-eyed peas, and I had never had black-eyed peas in my life before, and I fell in love with them. They are delicious, but they're starchy. You have to consider that. I'm also adding to this mix the entire can of cut green beans by Monte. And it has no fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 140 milligrams per serving, and there is 3.5 servings in this can. Total carbohydrates is 3 grams, dietary fiber 1 gram, 1 sugar, and 1 protein. It's green. Can't expect too much protein out of that. What we're going to do is we're going to drain it, and we're going to add it to the beans and snaps. I want a lot more snaps than they're giving us. Let me see. This is the can, and you know, it might be my imagination, but I don't see one snap here. Oh, there's one snap. See? One snap. Okay, so we're going to put a lot more. There's nothing wrong with the juice, is just I just don't want to have too much liquid. Now, when we say it's going to be black-eyed peas, they don't say that, they say field peas. Black-eyed peas and snaps, it really is. Lots of snaps are involved in it. Okay. We're also adding just one of these, the small one, the potato, because potatoes have a lot to give you, and they help you in your meal. You know, it's starch. This is hot, just cooked right now from the microwave oven. I'm going to make it in Gary bites. Ooh, it's really hot. Now, I'm not warming up this salad, I'm keeping this cold. Alright, we're just going to toss it in there. See it right there, the spoon? What we are going to put in there, because even though it has 6 grams of protein, by the time I give a serving of this, there won't be that much. I want to make darn sure I have enough protein since I'm expending so much energy. Ooh, that goes for me. Alright, so we're going to cut this up in bite size. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just wanted a little protein, and this would probably last maybe 2 good meals for me. Okay. So Linda's at the family right now, while I pick up the last few furniture pieces and boxing at our old home and do some of the cleaning up, because we want our house to be in the best shape for the new people. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Now let's plate it. I'm going to make it easy for me. I'm going to plate in this bowl. So you kind of extrapolate what you have. I'm not a chemist, so I can't tell you how many calories there is, but you got an idea of what you have. You've got your snap-eyed peas and the snaps. I added on top of that more green beans, and it's got one baked potato, which was baked in the microwave, and you also have tofu. So that's all you really need to it. If you wanted more sauce, you could add tomato sauce to this, but I'm going to eat this just the way it is. Thank you for watching this quick lunch break. Well, and then I go back to what I'm supposed to be doing, which is moving.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.